Good day everyone and welcome to Admiral Markets webinar, How to Trade Frankfurt Fake and London Open. So today we will talk about Frankfurt Fake, London Open strategies, and we will see how we can actually benefit from trading both. The thing is that I have already made a video about London Open, so if you're interested to watch it, just go to Admiral Markets YouTube channel and you will find my London Open trading video. This method that I will present you with today is slightly different because it allows you to trade after 2 hours from London Open. So stay tuned and relax. Let's start with risk disclaimer, explaining that online educational materials are available by Admiral Markets Estonia for a global audience. So take into consideration that the information in this session is not suitable for everyone. If you want to get a corresponding information on charting conditions and any other detail, you should visit Admiral Markets Global Sector, country of residence, and contact an appropriate entity. Admiral Markets UK Ltd takes no responsibility for information accuracy. This is solely my opinion and in no way it represents the actual suggestion for a trade. This webinar is for informational and educational purposes only. So today, London Frankfurt trading will cover why London session, London strategy, Frankfurt fake out, Frankie fake strategy. So before we begin with our subjects, I have a question from Nathan. If, for instance, we have a harami or an inside bar, is there a way to know if it will be developed for fake out? Nathan, I don't use harami and inside bars. I need to study it a little bit deeper. I use fake out trading in another way. You can find my fake out trading videos on also Admiral Markets YouTube. You can just Google for it, fake out Admiral Markets and Kerkes, and you will find some of my videos about fake out. But this fake out trading that I will be presenting you with today is, again, it's different. Okay, so it doesn't have to do anything with previous fake out videos because this Frankfurt fake out is specifically for Frankfurt session. Okay, we don't use it for other sessions, strictly for Frankie or Frankfurt session. Okay, so pay attention to that. It is very important. Okay, and if you need any question or answer, you just need to send me an email. I probably will forget about inside bar and harami, but maybe I can delve a little bit deeper and see if but usually you need other filters. You cannot just trade by inside bar because fake outs are a little bit different. You need other filters. Now, why London session? Because volume turnover is higher than of Wall Street. That is very important to know. Volume in London session is huge. It will be huge no matter the Brexit, so it doesn't matter. Whatever happens with London or UK and European Union, I think and I'm sure that volume turnover will be again the most during London and during the first 3 hours of London session. London is strategic location. We will see what will happen if they exit the union, but it is a strategic location and still a financial hub in Europe. Approximately 30% of all Forex transactions happen during London session. London is our trend setter. So it means that it sets the trend for whole day or at least during a London session. So we say it's a trend setter. First 3 hours of London session are most profitable. And we all know that we should trade during the first 3 hours of each session. Volatility dries off in the middle of session, and that is because we have so-called a London lunchtime. And there is a profit taking around a London lunch. So we will see some form of profit taking during London lunchtime. Okay, so don't forget that if you trade a lunchtime can be a little bit nasty to your trading, so you need to be very careful. Okay, now 34% of market share again on daily forex volume. That is really something to respect. It's a strong turnover, and definitely, as I say, it's a figure to respect. It overlaps New York session, adding to its volatility. So whenever it laps across New York session, it will add to its volatility, because volatility during London is very strong, and then when New York traders kick in, volatility will be even stronger. As of December 2014, market capitalization was approximately 6.06 USD trillion. Now, London Open breakout trading uses stops just outside ranges. And clearly there is a logic behind this strategy. So the strategy for London Open is not, guys, I repeat, is not the same as I did a couple of months ago with Admiral Markets. This is different strategy because it will give you the opportunity to trade 2 hours after London market open. It's still a London market, but we traded strictly 2 hours after LO market opens. And you can trade pound dollar, pound yen, and pound Swissy. The type of trading is indicator and price action. And the thing is, it's very simple. And you might use an indicator that I have. If you want, I can send it to you. So I guess that you might need an indicator. The indicator is very useful because it will mark the boxes, various boxes for our sessions. So I will show you. So guys, now of course, if you are interested to have the indicator, as always, don't hesitate to ask me. So this is the strategy. Now guys, this is very important, okay? I will show you now a screen, and you will see you need to know the exact time of your sessions, okay? So just snapshot this one, and then I will move on. So 2 hours after London market opens, as soon as second candlestick closes, we place orders on high and low of that candlestick. Pending orders are placed 2 to 3 pips above high low of the second hour candlestick. The stop loss must be placed 2 to 3 pips above below the high low of the first hour. We trade only in the MACD direction, guys. Okay? Now, what does it mean? Now, let me open the chart for you, and you will see how we do it. But before we actually start trading this strategy, well, there is a thing we need to do, and that means, guys, you need to use correct timing, okay? This is what you can do if you're not sure about the time. So Forex market hours, okay, and Forex market time converter. What I do is, let's say this is my time zone, and you just need to click here and you will see your time zone. This is the correct timing for all the session. So if you see here London, New York, okay, you just need to focus now on London session. But because you might use the indicator that I will send you, you should definitely use the numbers. Admiral Markets platform is 1 hour ahead of my time and 2 hours ahead of London. So this is my time zone, guys. It doesn't matter. It will always be your time zone if you click correctly. So if my time zone is 9 a.m. for London Open, it means we should use the indicator like this. So there is sessions indicator, and here Euro or London begins 10 o'clock. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. You see here 9 a.m. Our time is 10 a.m. 10 a.m. platform time. So you need to know that, guys. Admiral Markets platform uses now at this point GMT plus 3. So London 9 a.m. my time is GMT plus 2. London is GMT plus 1, so it's 8 a.m. London, 9 a.m. my time, and 10 platform time. So 10 to 17. Same for USA, 15 to 23. Why 15? Because New York is 2 p.m. is 14, so we add 1 hour 15, and adds at 23 or 10 or 11 p.m. And final session is actually, do we see? Yeah, Asian session here. 2 a.m., 9 a.m. Why 2 a.m.? Because here Tokyo starts at 1 a.m. so we add 1 hour, so it's 2 a.m. till 10 a.m. So this should be clear. This is very important. This will correctly mark your sessions. And here it is, guys, now. So you need to use the rules. So the point here, let's say this is pound dollar, is to trade breakouts in direction of MACD. But the point is we trade 2 hours after London market opens, literally. So this is it, guys. When second candlestick, this is when London market has opened. Here, I have marked it with a vertical line. Now, 2 hours after the London market opens, and as soon as the second hour candlestick closes, so 1, 2, place 2 opposite buy and sell stop pending orders. So let's remove these lines and let's do step by step so you can understand. So this is Forex, this is London Open, 1, 2. So this is the second candlestick. Now you should place both stop and sell pending orders. High is here, low is here, guys. Now you should trade in the direction of MACD. Direction of MACD is, it doesn't matter if it's above or below zero line. Here we see that MACD has crossed to the upside here. So we should trade upside breakouts. Okay, here this is our breakout and this is what we got. The point is you can only trade, okay, this is maybe a little bit into the overlap, but yeah. The point here is you can only trade during London, not during Asia, not during New York. So here it is. MACD crossed up here. See, this is the cross. This is this candlestick, low and high. This candlestick broke the high. And this is breakout strategy. So you can use pivot points. Whatever, guys, you need for target placements. I traded the strategy and I didn't use any fixed stops. The only thing is stop loss should be below the first hour candlestick. So stops should go here. Okay, stops should go 2-3 pips below this candle. And most of the time initial breakout will be successful. So I advise you to actually use profit stop after 15-20 pips of profit. Okay, This webinar is recorded. It will be uploaded. Let's use other example, guys, today. So 10 a.m. London Open, and let's see now, guys. 1, 2. This is the second candlestick. Second candlestick low here, and second candlestick high here. Another good breakout. MACD crossed down here. It was down, down, down. So you need to watch where MACD has crossed. First example, this was the cross to the upside. Second example, this is the cross to the outside. This is the cross to the downside. So this is important to see. MACD crosses. If it's easier for you, we can actually try to, let's see. We don't need histograms here. So we can do it like this. You already have MACD cam. If you don't have it, just send me an email and sessions indicator, I will send it. Yeah, let's see. Maybe I should. Yeah, I cannot. It seems that it still needs to show histograms, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, I thought that it would remove the histograms. Let's see. Show histograms. We can do it here easily. Yeah, this is it, guys. So this is what you should do, okay? And now you see MACD without histograms, because the histograms are not needed for this strategy. Okay, see? It's easy. It's not that hard. And here you should definitely use everything per rules. Please don't stray away from the rules, because it won't do you any good. You should be faithful to the rules I explained here. Okay? It's very clear. It's very logical, guys. So here, see, there is our London Open. 1, 2 candlesticks. This is second candlestick high, low. This is high, this is low. MACD cross down. Here it's down, down, down. And here you just sell. So here maximum of some 15, 16 pips. This is breakout strategy. So you don't position yourself. You don't chase the price. What you do is you trade accordingly. You just need to take the profit once you want a random, whatever. This is London breakout, guys. Okay? And you are good to go. Stop in this case should go here. Let's use one more example, then I will go to Frankfurt fake strategy. So here it is. You see the session indicator marked this very, very correctly. Here 10 o'clock, you see I don't need this now. So this is London Open, 1, 2. Yeah, guys, here, but you see this is second candle. But MACD was up, so this downside I wouldn't take it, because MACD was up, so we would have taken trade to the long side. Let's use other example. Wow, this was wow, watch this, guys. This actually 1, 2. Well, here a lot of pips could have been made here. Here 1, 2. Okay, here, MACD to the downside here, and you see it went down. See? 1, 2, second candlestick. 1, 2. 1, 2. Here it is, guys. So this is, well, it went down, but nevertheless it produced total of 30 pip of a profit. So this is not, as you can see, this is not classic London Open system as I've been showing, because London Open trades exactly at London Open, but rather this is a system that exploits London Open, guys. Why? Because I always say, if you follow my teachings, first 3 hours of each session are most profitable. So guys, remember what I'm saying. First 3 hours of each session. So this exploits actually the second hour of London. So Nathan, yeah, on the third candle, if you're counting London Open. So this is London Open, 2 candles after, or 1, 2, 3 if you count this one. Yes, correct. I usually say 2 candles after London Open, or 2 hours after London Open. So if this is the open, and indeed it was 2 hours. So yeah, exactly. Third candle, if you count this one, London Open candle, or 2 candles after. Okay, 2 candles after. Don't forget, guys, this is a system that exploits volatility. So volatility should be good in order to trade this method, else you might be stopped out in the middle of a trade when nothing happens. So please just check if there is a volatility in the market first, but usually there is. Okay, next, if you have any question, guys, you can ask me now, else I can delve into Frankfurt fake. So very, very easy to use, guys. Just follow MACD and see that you will find a lot of examples here. 1, 2. Watch this, guys. This is excellent example. Here, this was the high, this was the low, MACD was up, and watch this, huge breakout. Well, I hope that you will like it. If you need this session indicator, it's handy. Actually, I can send a template, guys. So if you need template for London or London Open version 2, it's called, just send me and I will gladly forward it to you. Okay? So London Open version 2. Now, next thing is, this is for pound dollar, pound yen, and pound Swissy. But the thing is, I prefer pound dollar. I don't know, I prefer pound dollar. I mostly traded pound dollar, but you can trade pound yen too. You can check the performance, okay? Here it is. Here. So yeah, pound dollar, pound yen, and pound Swissy, but my focus is pound dollar, of course. Now, next thing what I wanted to show you is Frankfurt fake out. It's called Frankie fake, and I learned about the name during my early days on Forex Factory. So we call it Frankie fake. I actively traded Frankfurt session, and I posted a lot of setups during Frankfurt session. But the thing is, there are a lot of good opportunities during the day. So nowadays I'm focused on day trading more than this fake and breakout trading. But I have an interesting strategy that you might like to see here. And actually the point is, it's very simple, but you need to use it. Now, mark my words. Don't look anywhere except to the screen, and mark my words. This strategy should be used during Frankfurt session. It's only 1 hour per day. So only during Frankfurt session. No other exceptions. Not a minute after Frankfurt session, because after Frankfurt session we have London Open. Okay? So the point here is during Frankfurt session. Again, how you know when it's Frankfurt session? Well, guys, I already explained, but I will do that again. Here, Frankfurt session is 8 a.m. my time, so it's 9 a.m. Admiral Markets platform. So sorry if you trade with other brokers. Well, definitely you should come and trade with me and with Admiral Markets, because it's simply the best platform. I really think so. So here, guys, 9 a.m. our platform, 5 p.m. close. But you don't watch the close. because Frankfurt session is this, 9 till 10 a.m. platform time. So only 1 hour. Frankfurt session, only 1 hour, guys. Okay, only 1 hour. From 8 a.m. till 9 a.m. or my time, it's 9 a.m. It's 9 a.m., 10 a.m. So my time is always, your time should always be 1 hour ahead of this time. So if it says 8, it's 9. Okay, so I will show you now. See here, 9 a.m. it's Frankfurt open 10. So I marked this with lines. You can use the session indicator, and instead of, I don't know, New York session, you can mark this session, but it's easier to put 2 vertical lines. The only thing, guys, this is simple. This is for newbie traders also. The only thing what you should do is watch a fake out. Fake out is pin bar, inside, outside Bollinger Band. But it should happen during London session. Okay, it should happen during London session. So here, guys, pin bar, Bollinger Band, and only during that particular time. So that is important. See here, this is not an ideal. This could be ideal pin bar, but it's not in the session. So you see here, pin bar outside, then inside Bollinger Band. You see in outside, inside, and here you just take profit. Of course, you can use pivot points for this. You can use previous. If you go short, you can use previous levels of support and resistance. But this is how you should do it. Once per day. Here. Okay, this is 9 a.m. 10 a.m. I will mark it like this. Okay, 9 a.m. 10 a.m. platform time. Here, do we see something? No. So it could be also to the upside, but you need to see a pin bar. If you don't see a pin bar, there is no trading. Simple as that. Okay, 9, 10. Yeah, here, but it's not a pin bar. So here, you see, you will only have the opportunity when you see a pin bar. Sometimes you will see this, guys. This is so-called dark cloud. You might consider trading dark cloud too. You see, it went upside, but it closed like a dark cloud. As of now, I've been using only pin bars, but I've noticed that even dark cloud can be good. So this is dark cloud. Strong bullish, then bearish candle. It looks similar to piercing line, but piercing line is actually bullish. Dark cloud is a counterpart of piercing line. Yes, it's counter trading opportunity, Ilya, because usually London would reverse the trade. Let's see if we have another example. Okay, 9. Okay, here pin bar, guys. See, but it again, yeah, it's good, but it would be better if it closed here. But you see, I would just prefer that it closed below, but a little bit more bearish, but it was good. You see, down. So whatever setup comes first, you might see a short, you might see a long setup, whichever setup comes first. And you traded only once, guys, only one time. You don't make 2 or 3 trades. This is only one-time trading opportunity. Let's find another example. Here, I think I showed you this, right? Let's see if I have other example. Yeah, we will use another one. Here, pin bar, you see, this is an ideal example. Pin bar, outside, close inside, down we go. See, outside, inside, pin bar, bang. See, outside, inside. on M5. I traded this on M5 time frame, Derek. Yes, M5. I didn't trade this on other time frames. So here, guys, effective and simple strategy. One time opportunity only during London, during Frankfurt session. Only during Frankfurt session. See here, this is long trade. Here long trade, then slight drawdown and then up. For stop placement, I would go with at least 15 pips stop loss, but here this was long trading opportunity, and you see stop would be like 15 pips. See? It went down and then pin bar closed inside. So you should monitor for pin bar outside, inside Bollinger only during Frankfurt fake, or during Frankfurt session. So this was it, guys. You see, it was very, very clear. I don't have anything to add. So if you have any questions, you might ask me. Very strict, very clear. You don't make up your own rules. This is how you should actually trade. And well, I think it will pay out, but you need to be ready to trade during Frankfurt session, guys, okay? During Frankfurt session, not, okay? Don't do it during other sessions, only during Frankfurt session, guys, okay? Stop loss is at least 15 pips, but I use stop below last obvious swing high or swing low. So if this was your entry, then most obvious swing low was here. So 11 pips is too low, so like 15 pips would be optimal. Bollinger Band's period, good question, is 10. Okay, Bollinger Band period is 10, guys. So please use this. Bollinger Band is set on 10. It's not default. Default is 20. 10 is how I use it for this strategy. Okay? I think this is very clear, and I think that you should try to profit from the strategy. It should be easy to learn, easy to practice. As I say, you will have only one time trading opportunity during Frankfurt, that is basically Asian session, and then London session will start. Reason for 10 is because it captures counter trend momentum and support resistant breakouts more effectively than 20. Okay, I did with the 10, so the only reason is it will give me more because it's 5-minute time frame. It's more prone to swings, and I need a fake out. So inside, outside Bollinger, outside, inside Bollinger Band, pin bar is always good. Yeah, for center line, I have also the indicator. It's called bands, and when you go to bands and set the first color to none, it will not show middle line. So guys, if you want all of these strategies templates, just send me an email. I have Frankfurt fake strategy and London version 2, so you can actually send a request and I will send you the template with all the indicators. Maybe not right after the webinar, but during the next day or tomorrow, day after tomorrow. You see, it's very easy, and I think that you might profit from it. Do you have any other question, guys? I don't see any questions, so I assume that everything is clear. Yes, both strategies are breakout, Ilya. Breakout is also a form of scalping because you take profits fast, indeed. Okay, so it's basically, guys, all breakouts are more or less scalpings, especially when you go with immediate breakout. Have in mind that all these strategies are actually very strict. You cannot mix the rules, and you should respect the time. Okay, you should respect the time. That is of utmost importance, as I explained here. Hit and run, indeed, Ilya. Okay, guys, so that was for me. A comment from Melvin. Thank you, Val. Thank you for your generous offer to share those templates and for your great presentation. You are very welcome, Melvin. Send me an email, and Ilya, of course, everyone, guys, thank you for your comments. I will prepare for you all the indicators and templates. Send me an email and you will get it. As always, guys, cheers, and as I say, trade safe.